Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to make precise selections using mask overlay in Photoshop. Start by opening your image and selecting any selection tool, such as the Quick Selection tool or Lasso tool. Once you have a rough selection, click on the Select and Mask option from the top bar. Inside this workspace, enable Mask Overlay View mode. This view highlights masked areas with a colored overlay, making it much easier to see what is selected and what is not. Use the Brush tool to paint over areas you want to include and switch to Subtract when refining edges. Adjust brush size frequently for